Happiness and misery are paper balls. Don't be afraid of death. Join the nationalist forces, be united. Give work to those who are hungry, food to invalids, forget your quarrels. A war based on satyagraha is always of two kinds. One is the war we wage against injustice, and the other we fight against our own weaknesses. Non-violence has to be observed in thought, word and deed. The measure of our non-violence will be the measure of our success. Two ways of building character: cultivating strength to challenge oppression, and tolerate the resultant hardships that give rise to courage and awareness. Young men and women are to build up a strong character. A nation's greatness was reflected in the character of her people. If it was sullied by selfishness, such a people could not prosper or achieve great things. Selfishness had its place in life, as everyone had to look to his own needs and that of his family, but it could not be made the be, all and end, all of life. Caste, community will rapidly disappear. We have to speedily forget all these things. Such boundaries hamper our growth. Manpower without unity is not a strength unless it is harmonized and united properly, then it becomes a spiritual power. Today we must remove distinctions of high and low, rich and poor, caste or creed. It is the prime responsibility of every citizen to feel that his country is free, and to defend its freedom is his duty. Even if we lose the wealth of thousands, and our life is sacrificed, we should keep smiling, and be cheerful, keeping our faith in God and truth. The negligence of a few could easily send a ship to the bottom, but if it has the wholehearted cooperation of all on board, she could be safely brought to port. Faith is of no evil in absence of strength. Faith and strength, both are essential to accomplish any great work. If you like this video, then please subscribe for getting more updates.